Pricing is a massive success factor and Amazon get your pricing right and it can have dramatic effect on your sales. The most important concept in pricing on Amazon is the buy box. The buy box is also known as the feature offer that which have the buy box account for 83% of sales on Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon listing in detail. For this listing of Rocking Horse, the buy box is the area here to the right, also known as the feature offer, and the company which has the offer in the future offer it. Hello Baby, which is my company. There are also a number of other offers. If we click here and we can see new, we can see there is a two offer on this listing. One is Amazon, but as this product is temporarily out of stock, it doesn't. When the buy box or second listing is here, this home is damaging. We can see here that the company went in the buy box is the Amazon. If we click here for other offer, we will see that Amazon is not the cheapest offer. This company here is 𝗕𝗧𝗥𝗢𝗚𝗚 is the cheapest offer, but for some reason that has not got the buy box. This demonstrates that the cheapest offer does not always win the buy box. As we have seen for this example, price is a factor in winning a buy box but not a guarantee. There are a number of other factors which we will consider shortly. Other things to consider is that only a new condition product can win the buy box and not all sellers are eligible. For example, new sellers that have been on the platform for less than 6 months, a seller who order defect rate is greater than 1% are not eligible for the buy box. The amount of time you spend on the buy box is known as buy box percentage. In other places, you can see your buy box percentage on Amazon. Firstly, on the Amazon homepage, there is a box which shows your buy box wins. If you click on it, you can see that the buy box wins by country. In reports, business reports, there is a two reports to look at. Firstly, you can see your buy box percentage by product. If we look at the detailed page sale and traffic by choice item, it will have the asynchronous and also your buy box percentage on that asynchronous. Also under the reporting tab, there is a report for your overall buy box percentage. On the sales and traffic, if you select the date, where do you want to hear? And the column you want here, I will have selected order product sales and buy box percentage. It will show you your sale against your buy box percentage. So what are the ranking factor for winning the buy box? The most important factor is the landing price. That is the price of item plus the price of shipping. But being as little as 1% or 1% cheaper, you can win the buy box. Any other very important factor is fulfillment method. Amazon will give preference to order that fulfillment itself. So fulfillment by Amazon will get preference. All other things being equal, our merchant fulfillment order, prime order fulfillment by seller, or for full price will also get preference item which are delivered more quickly. Or if the seller has a better delivery performance will get preference. Also, how much time you are available and your seller preference have measured by your order defect rate and your feedback is the main option to win the buy box.